Struggling to remember all those calculus formulas? Now you can have the ultimate solution for your TI-84 Plus CE or CE Python calculator. This comprehensive program puts every calculus formula you'll need right at your fingertips. Let me show you how it works. From basic derivatives to complex chain rule applications, every formula is organized in easy-to-navigate menus. Need the formula for inverse trig derivatives? Just a few clicks and there it is. This program covers everything from AP Calculus AB through College Calculus 3. Integrals, series and sequences, polar coordinates, vectors, it's all there. What makes this program special is the Concept Help section. Not just formulas, but clear explanations of when and how to use them. For AP Calculus BC students, there's a dedicated section with Taylor series, parametric equations, and other advanced topics. Instead of flipping through textbooks or searching online, have every formula ready when you need it. This program works on all TI-84 Plus CE and TI-84 Plus CE Python models. Visit my website, mcstutoring.com, to download this program today. The link is in the description below. No more forgetting formulas. No more lost points on tests. Just a simple tool to help you succeed in calculus.